Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself, and our two guests, Belinda and Caitlin. Our inspiration piece was brought to us by Tracy. It's this bingo board. I am using the first row down. Therefore, I am to use wood grain paper, punch, pink, flare, and buttons. All right, I lost the first 15 minutes of my video, so I froze this frame so that I could get you caught up. All right, the 12 by 12 background paper, the black and white stripe, is from the Fashionisha collection released by Echo Park in 2017. Then we have the flower paper from that same collection that I cut 10.5 by 7, and I placed it 2 inches over from the left-hand side. I have a small scallop border along the left side that I used. It's an EK punch. Then I have a small black strip on top of that flower pattern paper. I matted my 2 photographs of my flowers using white daisy cardstock. To the right, I have a 3x4 card from Cardabella. Then I tucked a flower underneath that, which is a die cut. And then from my stash, I got out these Material Alpha letters, and I got them out in pink, but they got lost in the background of that flower paper. So I have another set in aqua, and I spell out the word lovely. Then I get out some foam alpha letters in white and spell out the word morning. To the right of the word lovely by the L, I place a little fawn puffy sticker there. Above the L, I will put a white button with a black bow that I tied. You're seeing me add the word morning right now. I will use my butterfly punch and that wood grain paper that you see to the right to punch out small butterflies. I am going to bring in a tab and tuck it under that flower die cut, and then I will place a clear button on top of that. In the lower left of my photographs, there is a pink butterfly flare along with a plus sign charm and a silver enamel dot. All right, you see me punch out my butterflies. I will place them along the left side along that black strip. I will place 5 of them, and then I'll place the real tiny ones, 3 of them. And then you will see me bring in a chipboard arrow that has those green polka dots. Then I'm going to get out my small talk from Tim Holtz, and I will use the word phrase, everything has beauty. And before that, which I just skipped over, I have my black shimmer trim from Close to My Heart, and I tuck that under that 4x3 card, and then I use my Scotch tacky glue to secure my 3x4 card on top of that, because that's what works best, anything that has glitter or shimmer to secure it down. I use my foam adhesive from Close to My Heart. It's their thin one, and it works perfect. As you can see, that's how thin it is. It goes perfectly on top of that word phrase that I use from Small Talks. Then I will bring in an enamel XO, which first I realized I put OX, but it should be XO, and I'll place it right underneath the Small Talk. And I think I got y'all caught up. Then the next thing that you'll see me do is get out my shimmers ink in Precious Metal, and I will also use a little bit of the black velvet from Heidi Swapp, and I'll do splatters in the upper left-hand corner the lower right hand corner, and a little bit under the XOXO. Now that I am completely caught up, I can remind you in the description box below will be all the Mini Kit Monday ladies links to their channel so that you can see what they created for week 4, layout number 3, and what Belinda and Caitlin created. Their links will be listed below. Our Facebook group site will link to our Facebook group will be listed below. So please go check everyone out. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to all of our channels. Give us a thumbs up so that it'll bring traffic to our channel, because not only do we want to inspire you, we want to inspire everyone. So be sure to share our channel. If you have any comments or questions, leave those comments and questions below. Or you can leave a message over at my Facebook group. Here is my contact information. Get out those photographs, document your memories in a fun, creative way. Hit that bell button. Have a fabulous day or evening. And until next time, keep creating.